Are you always getting low views on your channel? Like whenever you post a video, you end up with 100 views, 200 views, and the highest you can go is 1,000 views, sometimes even 50 views, and you feel like your channel is not doing well, you are not doing well, and you just feel like you want to quit. Well, do not quit, okay? I'm going to tell you why those views might actually be a good thing. Now, if you want to know why, I want you to stick to the end of this video, because the end, I'm going to be sharing you some sweet juicy things that can elevate your video, okay? Now, getting low views sometimes might not really be about a bad thing. The reason why I said this is because low views can be a blessing in disguise. All you have to do to keep your channel booming is to keep posting consistently. I always say this: posting consistently doesn't mean that you have to be posting every day. You have to give yourself a particular time and a particular date to post your videos. If you want to post 3 times a week, then go ahead and post 3 times a week. Make sure you are always consistent. Yes, if you can do daily posting, you are good to go. Post daily posting and make sure you are consistent in it. Now, this is the reason why I said having low views can actually be a blessing in disguise. Now, my channel is all about lifestyle, okay, motherhood. Now, when I started my channel, I was just posting about my personal life. Then I gave birth and I started posting about my motherhood journey, my pregnancy journey. I started documenting my pregnancy journey to even when I gave birth, my birth vlog, and the postpartum of everything, like even when I got home, how I took care of my baby, night routine, feeding my baby, breastfeeding, stuff like that. I was just documenting everything about my motherhood. And the reason why I was doing this is because I want, when my child grows up, is going to see all this, like it's like a memory. I always say, I document, I make YouTube videos for memory sake, not just for the pay, okay? Now, I got monetized during this process and I started getting paid on YouTube. Like, my views skyrocketed from the low views that it was getting to like 300,000 views, 100,000. Like, the views was just coming up, and then I got demonetized. And because YouTube said, I talked about the YouTube the monetization policy. They brought new policies because my content was all about motherhood. I got demonetized because most of my videos, the caption, I'll write breastfeeding, and I think that was against YouTube rules or something. I don't know, but actually got demonetized. Then all my videos, I had to edit my videos and apply for monetization. After 3 months, that's after like 90 days, they still did not accept me. I was like, what's wrong? So I had to delete my most viral video, which was over 500,000 views, 600,000 views. I had to delete that particular video. That video, when I deleted, my watch hour dropped, and then I tried to, within that 90 days, I tried to get a new, though I did not do anything on my channel. Actually, I didn't get a new, I didn't even bother to post or do anything. I just like, okay, you know what, let me just take this time to actually rest and just relax myself. 2 weeks later, like 2 weeks to when I'm to reapply for a new monetization, I was like, you know what, since I will be posting, it's like a documentation, let me still be making even a small money. And then I had to get my 4,000 watch hour back. Actually, when I deleted my video, my watch hour reduced to 1,060 watch hours. So I needed that 4,000 watch hour. But I was like, God, watch hour is very difficult to get. How am I going to do this? And then I started posting again. And then in just 1 week, I got 5,000 watch hours. And then I reapplied for monetization, and I was monetized the next day. I was like, what? So um that's it. And I started posting again, okay? So I was like, you know what, I am not I also had, I'm not going to be posting anything about my motherhood journey, like stuff like that. And the reason is not because I got demonetized, it's because I want to stop showing my children or my child on social media. I just realized that social media is not really a good place for you to expose your children to harmful. Like I said, it's documentation, but if I'm going to be documenting anything that I want them to see when they grow up, I'll probably just put it in private, and then when I want them to see it, I can open it back and then they can watch the video. You understand? But I just don't want to be showing them too much on social media. Okay, so I'm like, okay, so if I'm not going to be doing this, and I'm actually an introvert, I barely go out of the house. Okay, I'm always in the house doing things, doing chores, just filling the entire house. But I'm like, okay, if I'm not doing this, what will I be doing on social media to keep my audience, to make, and then I'm like, okay, what, let me start teaching on YouTube my experience, my journey, and how to also help people to also grow on this YouTube. So I started this YouTube group to also help those of you out there struggling with low views. Yes, so when I started posting my new content, my views started getting low. Not because my audience doesn't want to watch, because during those time of demonetization, remonetization, and all those stuff, I think actually YouTube actually placed, I think, a ban or something. Like my channel actually lose its, I don't know how to put it. So it's like I had issues with YouTube, and my views, my audience, my everything started reducing. Now, what I noticed that the first video that I posted, I got really, really, really low views. I was like, what's going on? This is not, when I post a video, in the first 12 hours, I get like 10K views. So what's happening? Just imagine. And I'm getting what, like 30 views, 100 views. It doesn't make any sense. I went to check. I found out that my channel has an issue. I'm like, what do I do? I wanted to just, I got angry, like I was really, really pissed. I wasn't happy because I needed to make money. But I realized that first of all, it's not all about money, like I said. And secondly, all the videos that I've been posting that I've been having higher views, YouTube doesn't pay me much. YouTube pays me lesser. So if I have 10K views, YouTube paid me like cents, like 0.39, sometimes even 29 cents per 1,000 views. And when you calculate this, no matter the views that you have, when you calculate it, you still won't be making enough money compared to people that post and they get higher CPM, okay, and RPM. Now I was like, what do I do? What do I do? I was like, do you know what? Let me just chill. I don't want to worry about low views or not getting views. Let me just be posting. And then something happened. I posted a video, and the video was very low. It got like 100 or something views, but the money YouTube paid me for that particular video was actually the highest I've seen in my entire life. It's even bigger than the higher views that I've been getting. Now I'm going to take you to my YouTube studio to show you exactly what I saw and the amount YouTube actually paid me. Like, this is shocking. You really want to sit down, take your popcorn, and actually watch this, because they're going to learn a lot from this. Okay, before we go there, this entire stuff I'm talking about is especially for people that are monetized. Now, if you're not monetized and you're trying to get your 4,000 watch hours and you're getting low views, do not panic. Still post. Just be posting, okay? Even if your views are getting low, keep on posting. Now, the way you can get watch 4,000 watch hours fast. Now, take this from me. I got 4,000 watch hours in less than 2 weeks. Like in 7 days, I actually got 4,000 watch hours. Now, the exact thing that I did, I'm going to be telling you in another video for that, because I don't want this video to be too long. Now, I'm going to give you the secrets. If you want to get 4,000 watch hours and you're not getting like good views, you're getting low views, make sure the videos you're posting are very long and informative. Don't post something boring that people do not want to watch, people do not want to listen to, people do not want to see. Because when they open and the first few seconds are like not making sense, they will go out and you're going to lose your watch hour. Now, if what you are posting actually makes sense, is something people want to see, they will keep on watching. And when the video is long, even if you have 200 views, 100 views, trust me, you will get your watch hour. And when you are posting consistently every day, make sure, and when you are posting these long form videos, you can even post a 30 minutes video or a 1 hour video if you can. Now, when you post this long form video and you get your views is very low, make sure you are posting consistently. If you can post every day, please post every day. And if you cannot post every day, make sure you post at least 3 times a week. And when all these little views from these your long videos actually accumulate, you find out that at the end of the month, you're going to get a lot of watch hours. So it's not by posting a 3 minute video, 5 minute videos, and you're waiting for 10,000 views so your watch hour can climb. You might just post it and you still won't get enough watch time hours, okay? Because your video is not long enough. Imagine you want to get 4,000 watch hours and you're posting a 2 minute video, 3 minute video, and the video stuff is not even making sense. People do not want to watch. It's not, you understand? So if you want to get 4,000 watch hours fast with low views. Make sure your video is long. It's a long video. Also make sure you post consistently. So let's go to our YouTube studio. Let me show you what I am talking about. So I'll be taking you guys through my YouTube studio. Now before I show you guys the particular video that we're talking about, I'm going to be showing you a previous video where I got 5,000 plus views rather. Now this particular video got me 5,789 views since it was published. We just go straight to the revenue. Okay, first of all, I'll show you the audience. Now for the audience, I got 4.1k impression, 12.2% impression click-through rate, and I also, a lot of persons watched it through their mobile number, like their mobile phone rather, and I got a lot of male viewers. And the top geographics was India. Maybe that's the reason why the pay was so small, but that was it's not supposed to be this small. So the revenue was $1.71. Advertisers paid $1.51 for 1,000 views. Can you imagine? And then I was paid what, $1.71 for 5,000.8k views. That is so low. That means they paid me 0.30 cent, or is it 30 cents? I don't even know. Now we'll go and check. We'll go back to check the particular video. Now this particular video is the one I'm talking about, that I got a very low view, but the pay was better. Now we'll open it and we'll check this video together. So on YouTube started banning channels. Now this particular video gave me 111 views, just 111 views as at when I'm recording this video, showing you the screen recording. Now the reach was 2.3k impression, and yeah, the watch time was 2.9 watch time. The audience retention, as at 1 minute 20-something seconds, people were still watching. Now audience, I got new viewers from this video, 7.1%. Now a lot of persons watched it from mobile phone, of course. The gender, not enough space to show that. Then the top geographics was United States. United States is the top 26.9% of persons who watched from the United States. Maybe that's the reason why the pay was higher. Okay, so yeah, I opened it up to check the geographics properly, and yes, in 119 views was the total distance. So 26%, a big 20. You understand, watched it from. Now, how much advertisers paid for this particular video for revenue? Imagine $45.67 was what advertisers paid for this particular video, and I was paid what, $11.74. Mind you, I'm going to put a screenshot of the initial amount I was paid before it started reducing. That's how it works. It starts going down. So, and I was paid $1.39 for just 117 views that I got. So imagine having 1 million views on this particular video. That means I would have made more than $11,000. Like, now before you say that is fake, now I'm taking you to my settings to check the default of the currency. This is US dollar. Now if you take it to Taiwan dollar, is going to be higher, because Taiwan dollar is actually higher. So I'm showing you guys now to see that this is not, I didn't change the setting. Now this is Taiwan. I've changed it to Taiwan dollar. We're going to go back to the video to see how much this Taiwan dollar is going to be, because a lot of YouTubers use this. Actually, they change it to Taiwan dollars and they make you believe that they've made higher money from the particular video. So I'm going to prove to you that this video was not altered. Now I've changed it to Taiwan dollars, and I'm going to take you straight to the revenue. You see $43, and advertisers paid what, $1,433. You see, it's never possible for your CPM to be $1,433, and I was paid what, almost $368. So it's not possible. That's because I changed it to Taiwan dollar. So we are going to take it back to the US dollar, which is the normal dollar. So you see that I didn't alter anything. I didn't change anything. Now we are going back to settings, and then when you go to settings, meanwhile I'm using the Chrome YouTube Studio, okay, not the app itself. Now I'm going to general, and then I've changed it to see settings, change to US dollars, and then I'm going to go back to the video to see that everything has gone back to defaults, like the original setting. Now it's back. I'm going back there. You see $1.39 for 100 and I think 19 views, 118 views. So imagine a million views on this particular video. That is $11,000. Wow. You see that getting low views can actually be a blessing in disguise. Like me personally, I am enjoying. Yes, I don't want to get low views forever. Okay, now imagine that particular video has like a million views. God, I will be the richest woman on earth. Like hey, BBC and CNN, they will carry me, they will carry my news. Like when I'm talking about this, like it makes a lot of sense. I'm actually enjoying it. Yeah, the views are getting low. I'm not even worried about that right now. I am getting paid. My watch hours is also increasing a little, and so I'm retaining my watch hours. And what else do I need? I'm not really in for the money. Like I said, yeah, when money comes, it's a good thing. My first paycheck from this particular channel, when you paid me, I didn't use it for myself. I took it out and I use it to feed the children in the streets. So it's not like I needed the money or I need the money. Yes, everybody needs money. I need money, but not that important. But right now I am liking it because come on, $12 50 something cent is a lot of money for 1,000 views. I've never seen this in my. In fact, the highest I've seen since I've been shooting is $1.0 like $1.09, something like that, and that's like one in one of my video, and that views was very low, so I didn't even get enough. All the money that we're getting is like 0.30 cents, like 0 point, like so if 100 views gave me $1, imagine having a higher, come on. So like I said, low views can be a blessing in disguise. So just try it and do that thing that people really want to watch, and you might be surprised that this is it. And when you are consistent in it, you keep doing it, trust me, your views is going to get higher. You're going to blow up. People are going to know about you, and they'll be like, okay, this is what this is all about. And when you are giving information that is helpful, of course your subscribers, your viewers don't want to come back and watch your videos or watch your next video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, I'm going to do a very detailed video of how I got 4,000 watch hours in just 1 week, and you too, you can also get that 4,000 watch hours. Trust me, I told my brother about this. He was struggling to get 4,000 watch, just even 1,000 watch hours for like a year. He was just there. He couldn't even get up to 1,000 watch hours, and then I told him this secret. I gave him this particular secret of how I got it. And trust me, he's monetized right now. Like his channel got monetized. This was something he did not, in fact, he never dreamed of getting. So I'm going to show you. I'm very sure a lot of persons don't know about this, but I will show you. I will tell you how you can get that 4,000 watch hours. What I did that got me, and when you do it too, it's going to get you. It's going to get you 4,000 watch hours in what? In just 7 days. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.